Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your MSI monitor's USB-C which is not charging. So here's a guide for your power delivery, cable rating, and port limits. Fix 1. Check USB-C power delivery PD support. Not all MSI monitor USB-C ports provide charging. Check your monitor specifications to confirm it supports USB power delivery. Fix 2. Use a full features USB cable. Make sure the cable supports charging and data or video, not just charging. Try a different USB-C cable if possible. Fix 3. Verify the device power requirements. Some laptops require 65 watts, 90 watts or more. If the monitor's USB-C port provides less power, it may not charge the device or may charge very slowly. Fix 4. Check the USB-C connection. Disconnect and reconnect the cable firmly at both the ends. Inspect the port for dust or debris. Fix 5. Enable USB-C features in the OSD. Open the monitor's OSD menu. Check for settings related to USB-C, power delivery, or USB hub and ensure they are enabled. Fix 6. Power cycle the monitor. Turn off the monitor, unplug it from power for 1 minute. Plug it back in and test again. Fix 7. Update drivers and firmware. Update your computer's USB-C and chipset drivers. Install any available monitor firmware updates. Fix 8. Test with another device. Connect a different USB-C laptop, phone, or tablet. If none of them charge, the monitor's USB-C port may be the issue. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.